You've probably heard of Raiz. Maybe a friend mentioned it, or you saw an ad. It's this app that lets you invest spare change. But does it actually make you money? Is it worth your time? Let's cut through the fluff and find out. Think about it. You're probably spending money right now. Every coffee, every Uber, every online purchase is a tiny leak in your financial boat. Raiz promises to turn those drips into a potential downpour of profit. But is it a sprinkle or a monsoon? Let's break it down. Raiz is essentially an automated micro-investing platform. It links to your bank account and rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar. That spare change is then invested into a portfolio of your choice. Sounds simple, right? But simple doesn't always equal successful. The key to making money with Raiz, or any investment for that matter, is time. It's about consistent, long-term growth. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight. It's about planting seeds and watching them grow over years. But what about fees? Every financial product has costs. Raiz is no exception. There are management fees, brokerage fees, and exchange rates to consider. These can eat into your returns if you're not careful. So, is Raiz worth it? Well, that depends. If you're someone who struggles to save, Raiz can be a great way to start. It's a painless way to build an investment portfolio. But if you're already a disciplined saver, you might find better returns elsewhere. Remember, investing involves risk. The value of your investment can go down as well as up. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consider seeking financial advice. Another thing to think about is diversification. Raiz offers a range of portfolios, but it might not cover all asset classes. Consider complementing your Raiz investments with other options like ETFs or individual stocks. Let's talk about the psychology of investing. Raiz can gamify saving, making it fun to watch your balance grow. But it's important to stay grounded. Don't let the excitement of watching your investments grow cloud your judgment. So, does Raiz make money? It can. But it's not a guaranteed path to riches. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.